Want to know how to log into your Equity Bank account? You would want to log into your Equity Bank account to view account details like balance, transaction histories and statement, or even to perform actions like payment. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to log into your Equity Bank account. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the Equity Bank mobile app on your screen. Now tap on the sign in button at the top. Here you will need to provide your email address and password to log into your account. After entering your email address and password, tap on the sign in button. So this is how you can log into your Equity Bank account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.